When your mobile data finishes so fast while you watch YouTube, then you should definitely turn on the data saver. And when we talk about the data saver, there are basically two ways to turn on the data saver. One is on your phone settings and the another is on your YouTube application. So keep watching the video till the end to know the step-by-step process. First, go to your phone settings. Now select the first option, connections. Now select this option, data uses. Now look at the first option, data saver. By default, this option will be turned off on your phone and turn on this option. I've already turned on this option on my phone. Okay, so go back. Now open your YouTube application and at the bottom right corner you will see your profile picture or your channel logo. Just click there and now at the top right corner click on the settings icon. Now scroll down a little bit. Now under the video and audio preferences section, select the first option, quality. Now select the third option, data saver. Again, scroll down a little bit. If you're watching YouTube on Wi-Fi and if you want to save the Wi-Fi data, just select the third option, data saver. Okay? And if you're not a premium user, by default this audio quality is selected to normal. So just go back. Again, look at this fourth option, data saving. Just click here. And then you should turn on this data saving mode. Okay? Now go back. Again, click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now select the first option, general. Now look at the second option, playback and pace. So click here. Now select the third option, off. So these were the settings you should do on your phone to save mobile data while you watch YouTube. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and if you found the video a little bit helpful in solving your problem, then hit a like, and if you want more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then subscribe to the channel right now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.